Kuringana na uthuthuria uria utafanitio ni Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri wonanitie ati Arutwo 7 gatagati ka 10 airitu nio matiraga thukuru guku bururi-ini kurumirira wagi wa mbeca cia kugura tauru cia utheru. Ni kuonania gicunji kia 65 harĩ igana kia airitu aya nio matiraga thukuru oro mweri, undu uria ucungiriirie aingi ao kwaga gwika wega mathomo-ini mao, gutiga thukuru na gucoka kuingira ihiko-ini cia tene.
Heavy ni kawaida, kunyesha ni kawaida. There's nothing to be embarrassed about.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene Ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri wa muingi Basweti Ibrahim neugite ihinda ni ikinyu ria gukorwo na micemanio iria irakuruhania miario gatagati ka family itiganite, arutwo thukuru-ini itiganite hamwe na urugamiriri wacio, undu umwe na muingi uria uri mawabici-ini niguo kwambika njira cia kung'ethanira na mathina maria magumeire mwana wa kairitu niguo kumuhe riera riega ria mathomo.
Girls often struggle to obtain information on menstruation and puberty due to lack of supportive school staff or even family members to discuss these issues. Time has come when we must break this silence and start discussing these issues so as to equip girls with adequate information in readiness for the menarche.
Ihinda-ini riu gavana wa kaunti ya Busia Paul Tuoma na uria nowe baruthi wa kampeni ya kugacirithia utheru kahinda-ini ka mweri niugite ni manyitanire na honge itiganite hamwe na kambuni cia andu kiumbe niguo kwambiriria mihang'o ya guthondeka tauru cia utheru iria ireheagwo arutwo a airitu.
And I'm looking forward that whatever fund we are going to establish, we are going to work with some of our local partners, private partners that have already picked up this topic.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Gathoni o Wang'ang'a.